Hey first graders, welcome back to another day of Number Corner. I have been loving doing my Number Corner with you, so I hope you've been enjoying it as well. Again, today you will need your Number Corner notebook and you will need something to write with. So I flipped over our card for today, and today is what date? It is May 8th. Today is May 8th, 2020, so let's get out our writing utensils and let's get to writing. So down here I already have May, so make sure you write that in. May 8th, 2020. The shorter way to write it would be 5/8/20, because May is the 5th month of the year. So make sure you have those written in. All right, friends, when you are done with that, then let's look at our pattern. Remember, one of our learning targets is I can recognize, describe, and extend patterns. Yesterday, I had you predict what you thought the card was going to look like for today. Well, let's look. First, we see it's purple, and we see that there's arrows on it. I think a lot of you might have gotten that correct because the pattern goes like this. Orange, purple, purple, yellow, yellow, orange, purple, purple. What's the weekend going to be? We'll have to find out on Monday. And then we also looked at what's on the cards. We had words, arrows, arrows, number puzzle, arrows, arrows, words, arrows. What's going to be on the weekend? I want you to think about that. What color they will be and what's going to be on them. So we're able to recognize what the pattern is. We know it at least with the colors, and for the most part with what's on the cards. We're describing it, we're talking about it. Okay, let's maybe put it to letters. Let's pretend that our orange cards are going to be letter A's, and our purple cards are going to be letter B's, and our yellow cards are going to be letter C's. So it'd go like this. Say it with me. A, B, B, C, C. A, B, B. What is the weekend? I hope you said C, C. And what color did we assign C to? So that's one way to describe the pattern. And then we extended it by predicting what's next. All right, now let's get over here to Tad. Make sure you're on page 63 in your green Number Corner notebook. And we are starting on 48. 48 is where Mr. Tad hopped to yesterday. See, he's right there. I'll make him stand on top of the number. Now, our card tells us he needs to hop down 2 hops. When you go down on the chart, you are doing what? Adding 10. Here's our learning target. I can add 10 and I can take away 10 from any number. When he hops down on the number chart, he's adding 10 and he hopped down twice. So when he hops from 48 down to 58, when he hops from 48 down to 58, he's adding 10 more. When he hops from 58 down to 68, he's adding 10 more. So let's write that equation. So 48 plus, here, keep doing that with my typer. Okay, we were on 48. He hopped down to 58. When you hop down on the 120 chart, you're adding 10. So 48 plus 10 equals, and he landed on the 58. Now he's going to jump from the 58 down to the 68. So it's going to be 58 plus what? Plus 10 equals what? 68. So Mr. Tad landed on the 68. Let's get that colored in. What color are we coloring it today? Purple, because our card for today is purple. So I'm going to move him off there. I'm going to get my purple crayon out. You need to do the same. Color in 68 with a purple. I'm already starting to see a pattern over here on our hidden picture chart. Because we have 2 purples over here, 2 over here, some yellows in the middle, orange on top. All right, so we're going to need to copy that and bring it to the next page. Make sure your 68 is colored in, and then we're going to hop on over here and do our calendar grid observations. I brought our equations with us so we can use those to help us later on. Let's start with our date, which is May 8th, and then we're going to think about where did he start. Our answer is right here on the card. Do you guys remember where he started? On 48. So let's see if we're right. Yep, he started on the 48. Now what were his moves today? Did he move up? Did he move to the right or the left or down? Where did he go? He went down 2 times. So let's see, arrow down 2 times. Good, we got it. All right, let's work on our equation. I want you to have these written down in your notebooks so that you guys can do this with me. So if you don't have them written down yet, you can pause the video and write them down. And if you do, then we're going to get going. So we have 48 plus 10 equals 58, and 58 plus 10 equals 68. Let's combine those together. Here we are back at our number grid. Started at 48 and he went down 2. So he went down 10 and 10 more. What do you get when you add 10 plus 10? 20. So this one is more simple than yesterday. Yesterday was kind of complicated, but all we have to do is write 48 plus what? He went plus 10 plus 10. And 10 and 10 makes 20. So 48 plus 20 equals 68. So let's bring that to our other slide. 48 plus 20 equals 68. It's the same thing as these 2 equations together. We just put it into one equation as opposed to putting it in 2 equations. So let's check it out. 48 plus 20 equals 68. We got it. And where did he end? He ended on the 68. That's the one we colored for today. Nice work, friends. All right, we are off to days in school and quarter a day collection. Yesterday we were at 136 days in school. Today we need to add another X. All right, so I have to change my number. How many days have we been in school now? 137. Let's review what all of these digits mean in 137. What does the 1 mean? It means one group of 100. That's what this represents right here. What does the 3 mean? Well, the 3 is in the tens place. So it shows that there's 3 groups of 10. They're not over here with a group of 100. They're over here. And there's 3 more groups of 10. So that's why there's a 3 there. And the 7, what does that show? That shows that we have 7 extra ones right here. There's a group of 5, and 6, 7. So we've been in school 137 days. All right, now we get to add a quarter. So we're going to add a quarter to our quarter a day chart. How much is a quarter worth? Look at the boxes behind this quarter. It's worth 25 cents. So we're going to post another quarter to our square dollar. And now we can look at this in lots of different ways. So we have 3 quarters and there's a spot for 4 quarters. So you could say that we have 3 out of 4 quarters, which is called 3/4. Okay, we also know that every quarter is 25 cents. 25 cents plus, so there's 25 cents plus another 25 plus another 25 equals how many cents? Well, 3 quarters equals 75 cents. And do you remember how much 4 quarters equals? That's $1. So tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Monday, we're going to have $1 because $1 equals 100 cents. And today we got up to 75 cents. All right, friends, that's all for Number Corner for today, and I can't wait to be back with you on Monday. Have an amazing weekend.